Have you completed 12th science? Are you looking for an amazing career opportunity? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Hello, I am Shubham, working as a training and placement officer at Soldier College of Pharmacy. Most of the students, after completion of higher secondary education, looking for the graduation where best career opportunities are there. And if I would say pharma is the best field for the career opportunity in future, you might have question, why pharma? Lots of career opportunities are there. Yes, you are absolutely right. But looking towards the another side of coin, you will be amazed looking towards the job opportunity in this sector. Yes, in this field, you will learn how to prepare medicines, how medicines acts on our human body, and how medicines are the fifth basic key need of the human being. According to the current scenario, India is having second rank in the manufacturing and export of medicines and pharmaceutical ingredients, that is API as well. Yes, in this sector, you will realize how medicines is having vital importance in our life. Human being can survive without taking car, mobile, internet, but he can't be able to survive without taking medicine. The example of COVID scenario is in front of us, right? What if I say total annual turnover of the pharmaceutical was 2.90 lakh crore in last year? You can just Google it. Looking towards the job opportunity in this sector, after completion of 2 years diploma in pharmacy course, student will be able to join pharmaceutical industry in a production department. He will also able to represent the medicines, that is pharmaceutical sales representative in well-reputed pharmaceutical industry. Along with that, he can go for the higher education or he can open his own medical shop as well. He can go for the higher education, that is direct second year B pharmacy course. And after completion of B pharmacy course, he will be able to join pharmaceutical industry in quality control, quality assurance department, as well as research and development department too. Immense of career opportunities are here and sky is limit for earning that opportunity. I can't conclude all those opportunities in one video lecture, one video session. At the end, if you want to know more about the career opportunity in this sector, you can just call us on the number given in the description, or just write us on soldiercorp@gmail.com, or just click on the link given in the description. At the end, I would love to wish you all the best on behalf of Soldier College of Pharmacy for your bright career. Thank you and go ahead.